how to make Philly cheesesteak sandwich at home. This is the video which will explain everything about Philly cheesesteak. This is a homemade recipe. It's a perfect recipe. For this recipe, you will need shaved steak. This is skirt steak and it's already shaved. Let me open up so I can show you guys. It's going to look like this. This is all shaved skirt steak. If you don't get the shaved steak from the market, you can get a skirt steak and just thinly slice it. Alright, so pan is on the stove. It's on the medium flame. This is 400 grams of shaved steak. I'll add at least 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. We will take 1 medium-sized onion and we will just roughly dice it. Don't make it too big. Just rough dice it. You just open up and add in your pan. One medium-sized onion goes in here. You'll take a whole bell pepper, medium-sized bell pepper. We just need the walls, the outer side of it. Okay, once you do that, just thinly elongate it, slice it. Once you thinly slice it, you will add this right here in your pan. Give it a stir. So we will saute our bell peppers and onion at least for 5 minutes on a high flame. Oops, it's jumping out of the pan. Alright, right here. You guys see? Yum. So it's been 3-4 minutes and we will just start adding the steak in here. Alright my friends, the next thing, once you add the meat, take some garlic powder, add half tablespoon of garlic powder on top of this, half tablespoon of freshly grounded black pepper, and half tablespoon of white pepper powder. And add regular table salt. You can use sea salt in there if you want. Half tablespoon. So easy, huh? The Philly cheesesteak. Okay, at this point, just make sure you mix everything up really good. Stove should be on high flame. And we will cook this mixture, this whole Philly cheesesteak thing, you know, at least for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes altogether. We have to stir fry our steak right now, the Philly cheesesteak, right? At least for 10 more minutes. So just keep moving the spoon after every minute or so and just keep cooking it. So this is the texture so far, you guys can see. Alright, so it's been at least 15 to 16 minutes. Our steak looks perfectly cooked, okay? The Philly cheesesteak. Alright, so we have turned up our stove. So, yes, these are our hot dog buns. So good looking, right? I have some white American cheese. A hot dog bun roll, you'll grab the meat right from the middle. And here you go guys. Look at this. Yum, huh? Isn't it? Once you put some meat, put it right here. grab whatever cheese you like. Just put this right on top of it. Another one. Homemade, delicious Philly cheesesteak. And here goes the third one. Philly cheesesteak sandwich at home. I gave you the whole recipe. Use same ingredients and you'll be happy about it. Take a look here. I just put the cheese, white American cheese, right on top of this. These two, I just kept it like this so you can really taste the steak in here, right? If you want more cheese, you can put more cheese. I want to keep it mix and match. So here it is, guys. A wonderful, delicious Philly cheesesteak, right? Yum. Let me break it from the middle so I can show you guys. So here you go. It's juicy. You don't need any other ingredient, bro. It's just so yummy. Take a look. This is a bite. Here you go. It's flavorful and yummy. Oh my god. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll enjoy this feast. If you're craving for a healthy, home-cooked snack sandwich, make this Philly cheesesteak sandwich and you'll be happy about it. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and bye-bye for now.